Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today I want to talk about the fact that being hungry in the sense of having the drive is more important than talents. So like many people, I have many talents and I am not the kind of person who wants to focus on just one thing, but I also know that if I want to master my craft, I need to I need to focus. So I've chosen two, three things to just focus on, and I leave the rest as hobbies. And these are the things that I'm working towards, especially music and life coaching and writing. I used to take them for granted. I just thought that, you have that talent, you wake up and then, it will always be there and you don't need to work on it. That's great. And when I was singing, when I was seeing the great singers on TV, I thought that, it was just natural talents and they were doing nothing else. They just eat, sleep, and, they go on stage and sing, and that's it. And then when I started to do some research, I actually realized that many of them practice, and they practice for hours, and they've been practicing for years. So it just hit me in the face, and I decided to take this very seriously. So now I'm doing more, I'm practicing more, and I'm taking this very seriously because I don't even want to be disrespectful to those people who kind of worship their art and they do everything they can to become better. So I've decided to just follow this route, and just practice. If you don't use your talents, you're gonna lose them. So now I am more regular in my practice, and I take it very seriously. Um, Talent is not enough. You need to work on them. You cannot take them for granted because even if you are really good, at some point you're gonna just lose them a little bit more every day. Great dancers, they practice. Great writers, they practice. Everybody that you see is really, really good at what they are doing. They practice regularly and it's in their lives. If you just use your talent once in a while and you believe it's always going to be there, one day when you're gonna need it, you just won't understand why things didn't work out. And it was because you are losing your talents little by little. So many people you will see on TV, many people that are great at what they're doing, they they do the work and they are hungry for what they are doing. So talent is not enough. You need to work on it. So it's a balance between your talent and the work you are producing to make your talents more sharp. So the successful people you see on TV, these people are driven. They work a lot. They are very passionate about what they are doing. They are committed to their success. They are very respectful of their talent. They are very patient. They are committed to their vision, to the vision they have in their lives. They work really hard. They nourish their talents. They train to improve their skills, and they are hungry. No, it doesn't come like this. Many people you see are very driven. Some were just lazy before, and then all of a sudden they just discovered something they find really profound, very deep, very truth to themselves, very congruent to who they are. And then all of a sudden they have this explosion of passion, explosion of hunger, the explosion of drive, and then they just keep doing the work. Don't just settle for your talents. There are many other things you need to do to be really great at what you're doing. Success is not gonna come easily just because you have this great talent. Even the great athletes, they work out every day for hours and hours, and they go to the Olympics. They have worked for 4 years for many hours every day. They kept their eyes on the prize. Can you imagine the patience they've had for so long? That's just amazing. I admire them so much. And yes, we need to follow that. If you have a dream in your heart, if you have a passion, if you have a project, stay true to it, but don't rely on your talents solely. You need to rely on the work ethic, the discipline. You need to rely on the passion, the hunger, the drive. You need to cultivate them. Not everybody has them in the beginning, but over time, because you practice, because you are more clear with your goals, they come in your life, and all of a sudden you're gonna end up with them and you don't know where they're coming from. That's a good point. That's a good place to be. So don't rely on your talent. Do the work, do the research, do everything that is necessary for you to succeed. You find the plans, look for successful people, and ask them questions. Ask them what they've done to be where they are. And if these people are not in your life, do some research online. You will always find. We have many YouTubers who have selections of quotes from people. You have selections of videos where you have great lessons from those who have succeeded, great wisdom, and it's very helpful. Don't just rely on your talents. So that was it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you find it useful, and share it with the people if you believe it can be helpful for them. If you have questions, if you have suggestions of subjects to talk about, please leave a comment below, and I'm gonna get back to you and read everything as quickly as possible. In the meantime, I'm wishing you a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye.